Yeah, have an umbrella ready. 40 degrees for 9 a.m. Look for low 40s by early lunchtime and 44 our daytime high. Rain off and on throughout the day. All right, could top out at a little bit over a half inch as we get into the evening. Today, 44, a wet day. Winds will be light. Tonight, we will have a chance for a rain-snow mix for a brief period between about 8 o'clock and about 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Could have a little bit of a rain-snow mix, but that'll be moving out of the area. Cloudy skies overnight. Tomorrow, for our weekend outlook, low 30s. We'll start off with some clouds, and we'll see some sunshine as we get deeper into the late morning and early afternoon. It's going to be a cold night Saturday night. And Sunday for Groundhog Day, 47 degrees. And we'll have a slight chance for a few flurries or sprinkles early and a chance for a sprinkle in the afternoon as we warm up. 47, a little bit cooler into Monday. Again, a chance for a few sprinkles, upper 30s with some partly sunny skies on Tuesday. Wednesday, shower chance in the afternoon, likely for a wet night Wednesday night, though. And it's going to be off and on showers for Thursday. Cold front comes through. We'll have a cooler day, but a drier day next Friday.